All right, you guys, so today I decided to create my vision board. As you can see, there's a lot of me and my daughter. There's a lot of me, a little bit of meditation. These are pretty much personal things that you would like to manifest within the year. These are my personal goals, a little bit of affirmations on here as well. This was very, very affordable. So if you want to see how I created this vision board, then you should keep on watching. All right, you guys, so these photos are actually from Walgreens. I got them for $3.97. I got 17 photos. You will also need some tacks. I actually had these laying around the house. You can get them from Dollar Tree for about $1, but I'm just going to use that brass color that I pointed at. This board is from Michaels. It's 23 by 35 inches, you guys, if you guys didn't catch that. It was very inexpensive, and it was only $19. So I'm just going to start placing my photos on my board. At first I was randomly placing them just to make it look cute, but then I actually, like you'll see, I actually kind of went back and I decided to make it make more sense. So I clumped up the things like maybe traveling together. I clumped all of that together, and then the pictures of me and my daughter together, I clumped those together. So yeah, you will see me actually start taking things off, and then I'm gonna be tacking it, which was actually an accident. I shouldn't have did that, but I mean, it is what it is, because you know, people make mistakes. So I actually did want to also show you guys an alternative. If you don't have $19, you can actually go to like Target and get this board. It's the Elmers Board. It was probably like $3, and you can just start tacking pictures on that way as well. But here is the catch. The only thing that I didn't like was once you tack them, look at that. Dangerous, pokey, and I'm pretty sure it'll make my skin crawl hearing it scratch on the wall. So just use tape if you want to. So I'm just gonna place my pictures back. I did print these pictures from my job just to fill in a couple the spaces on the board. This is completely free, or you can go to the library. There's pretty much just like quotes that'll keep me going, my goals, things that I just really need to work on, and I put them in the quote. Now these were pretty much, a lot of these were like my affirmations, especially since I do kind of like procrastinate. So you'll see a lot of procrastination quotes and now later and things like that. You're stronger than you think and all of that other stuff. So yeah, I'm just going to actually kind of place these in an order that kind of goes with the pictures as well. Just tagging everything in place so it looks nice and neat. I actually ran out of tags, so I had to use like 2 or 3 black ones. And this is the completed project. It is so easy. I do plan on going in and just filling in more spaces when I start thinking of things. Look at that, it's all crooked. I'm gonna fix that. But yeah, these are pretty much what I want to happen. Like I said, I'm not gonna explain because it's so much more deeper, like when you see myself and you see my daughter. But these are a lot of the things that I would like to manifest in the year, and a lot of things that I would also like to work on. So I know this video was pretty quick, but if you enjoyed this video, go ahead, give me a thumbs up, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.